Attorney Lawrence, are you ready? I need everyone to put their phones on mute if you're just coming out into the main session. Attorney Lawrence? Oh, there you go.
Good
Okay,
morning, Your Honor. Sorry.
Good morning. Give me 1 second. We're now live on YouTube. Good morning. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, no driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material, and you must be properly dressed when a judge asks you to turn your camera on. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone on Zoom. Again, I am Judge Tenisha Yancey. I'll be presiding over your matters this morning. Who's the attorney for Bazzi? Lawrence, attorney. Okay, are you ready, Mr. Attorney Lawrence?
Yes, good morning. Lawrence LSL 71355 for Najla Bazzi.
Now calling the people versus Najla Bazzi, ticket number P1422613. One counter drove while license not valid. Also ticket number P1422595. One counter disregarding red signal. And you've already stated your appearance for the record. How would you like to proceed, sir?
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to meet with the prosecutor, and we have an agreement to dismiss these matters, so I'm requesting to waive my client's presence.
Okay. And you have an agreement to dismiss both matters?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes. She has some other tickets in default, Your Honor, so that was taken into consideration for this.
Oh, okay, understood. All right, so the court will go ahead and adopt the people's recommendation to dismiss both matters, both ticket number ending in 2613 and ticket number ending in 2595 will be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're free to go, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day.
Yeah. Mhm. Mr. Malafide, did I overhear you say the rest of these are going to be dismissals?
Everybody that I have out, hold on just one moment, Judge. Everybody that I have out at the moment are all dismissals. That is accurate, Judge, for bringing documentation.
Okay, give me just 1 moment.
Yep. The people that I have left in the rooms, there's 2 that I have not spoken to. One of them is, and there's only one person that I need to talk to Mr. Goss about. And that's essentially it. There was a person who was an OWI from yesterday that is apparently talking to one of the clinicians.
Okay, to be sentenced.
That's perhaps, Judge. It sounds like that first they're trying to see if he's a viable candidate for one of the programs.
Okay. Okay, I will let you, well, no, I'm gonna call the cases because I have based on the files that I have before me. And we'll just go through them based on who you have on the screen, based on the files that I have.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have everybody's file here on the screen. Hey, Brown, can you come up to the camera, please?
I'm sorry, Judge, that broke up a little bit. Was that a question to address to me?
No, I was asking Latoya Brownlee to be ready to proceed.
Hello, I'm ready.
Good morning, ma'am. Now calling the people versus Latoya Brownlee. Ticket number SP 142-18371. Driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Also ticket number SP 142-18391. No proof of insurance. Please state your appearance for the record.
And good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Brownlee. Ms. Brownlee, please state your name for the record.
Latoya Brownlee.
Your Honor, I have had an opportunity to look over. Oh,
I apologize. Ms. Brownie, are you wearing a hair garment for religious purposes, or did you not hear Madam Clerk when she made
For religious purposes.
Okay. Don't know of any skull caps being worn for religious purposes. However, I'm not gonna argue with you about that. Go ahead, Mr. Malachi.
Your Honor, I have seen not the recommendations, but I have seen the paperwork both for the registration and insurance for Ms. Brownlee. At this time, Judge, we would be moving to dismiss based on valid documentation.
Okay, and you've seen both, you stated?
That's accurate. Yes, Your Honor.
That's for the white 2006 GMC?
Yes.
Okay, so the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified documents on the white GMC in question for Ms. Browning. The insurance, both the insurance and registration, therefore these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Browning, make sure that when you're appearing in court, you dress appropriately, even on Zoom.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you. I can hang up now?
You can. Make sure you're keeping your documents in the car with you as well.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. That's what she had to do, just go. Tracy Booker, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you for being dressed appropriately for court, Ms. Booker. Now calling the people versus, wait one moment. Now calling the people versus Tracy Booker, ticket number SP 142-11721, one count of unregistered untitled vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Ms. Booker. Ms. Booker, please state your name for the record.
Tracy Booker.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to see the paperwork from Ms. Booker in this matter. It is valid. We would be moving for dismissal based on valid documentation.
Is that for the 2021 Cadillac?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified registration for the Cadillac that was in question on the day of the ticket, therefore the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Booker, just make sure you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you at all times now, so you don't have to go through this ever again.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye.
Aaron Brunson. Now calling the people versus Aaron Thomas Brunson, ticket number P 1267609, one count of no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Brunson. Mr. Brunson, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Aaron Brunson.
Your Honor, once again, I have seen valid documentation from Mr. Brunson in this matter. We would be moving to dismiss based on that valid documentation.
Okay, and the insurance is for 2013 Cadillac?
That's correct.
The court has acknowledged that an officer of the court has verified valid documents on on the 2013 Cadillac, therefore the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Brunson, you are free to go. Make sure you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you at all times, sir.
Thank you. I will.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You also. Thank you.
Now calling the people versus Anna Sylvia Blanzy, ticket number SP 142-06521, one count of driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Ms. Blanzy. Ms. Blanzy, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Anna Blanzy.
Your Honor, once again, there have been valid documentation shown in this matter. It was emailed to me with a proper registration for, I believe it was a Buick. Judge, we would be moving to dismiss for valid documentation.
Thank you, Mr. Malafide. The court has acknowledged that an officer of the court has verified registration for this question. Therefore, the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Lindsay, you are free to go. Make sure that you're keeping documents in the vehicle with you, ma'am.
Thank you for your ruling, Your Honor. Have a nice
You're
day.
welcome. Have a good- You too.
And thank you, Tim.
Nobody knows how to actually pronounce that name. The last
They don't
name.
have to. It's fine.
Tim, because.
I have to live with it. It's okay.
Ready, Mr. Bowers?
Got to
You have
unmute
to-
yourself, Mr. Bowers. You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Bowers. Touch that screen, bottom of the left-hand corner. There you go.
Yes. On same page as with Ms. Hannah.
Oh. Now calling the People versus Tommy Bowers, ticket number P 1418006, count 1, driving unregistered untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Alpine, on behalf of Mr. Bowers. Mr. Bowers, please state your name for the record.
Tommy Bowers.
Thank you, Mr. Bowers. Your Honor, I have seen valid documentation for the automobile in question. We would be moving to dismiss based on that valid documentation.
Okay, the court acknowledges that an officer of the court has seen valid registration and proof of insurance for the 2004 GMC. Therefore, the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Bowers, make sure you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you, sir, at all times.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Your Honor, give me a moment to speak to the prosecutor, and then I just need to talk to 2 more people, but I should be largely finished.
Okay, this is a very light docket this morning. I don't understand how and why. Everything's what we scheduled.
Mhm.
Go right ahead, Ms. Belkite.
Where's my?
Everything's official. Where are their ratings?
We did one of the arraignments. He might have liked the rest, and there's 2 more left.
Which
That's
is,
in it.
it's only, all of these patients are your hearings that you scheduled.
Mhm.
It's only 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Hello? Oh, we can't hear you, sir. Are we muted? No, we're not muted.
Can you hear us? Mr. Bubs?
Oh, we can't hear
We
you.
can't hear you, but you are extremely late. Call the courtroom at 965-2291. Call the courtroom 965-2291.
Say 965-2291. Mr. Brooks? Yes, sir. So you're gonna, you're gonna have to get your matter rescheduled because it was scheduled at 8:30 and it's now 10 o'clock. Okay? Yeah, I know, sir, but the judge is not, we locked our meetings at a certain time. Yeah. So May 31st. 8:30. It's gonna be another 8:30 appointment, okay?
Be on time.
The judge said be on time, please.
He also has to
Okay.
talk to an attorney.
He gonna say he'll try.
He'll try.
That's exactly what he said. I just hugged him. I'm sorry.
What was the reason that he said he's late?
He didn't have a reason.
I tried. Okay.
And the thing is, he said he had everything, but if you had everything, you should have been here and got it off the way. He was like, I'm trying to get this shit taken care of.
Try.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said, I'll try. I said, oh, okay.
The level of disrespect that I have
These people-
encountered
Yes.
is beyond.
It's terrible, right? Our
Most of
cousins.
them catch me on good days, right? Good morning, Miss Sharon.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good. Good, good. We should be wrapping up pretty soon. What are our afternoon documents?
It's gonna be a nice docket this afternoon.
If-
Mhm.
And we're gonna do an afternoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Sign after this, we sign back in at 1 or 1:30?
1:30.
1:30. Okay.
Okay.
1:30.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Basket. How did it go? You're on mute, sir.
Okay,
How did it
how
go?
are you?
I'm doing well. How did your evaluation go?
She hasn't talked to you yet?
No.
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 They did talk to us already and told us that you were going to be accepted into the
Oh, she
program.
said that you were accepted though. That's all they said.
Okay. It went well.
Good. So we're just gonna wait for Mr. Malachi because you do have a right to counsel. And because it's a sentencing, I would like to wait for him to come and represent you while we're doing the sentence.
Okay.
Okay? So just hold tight. You can turn your camera off. Just make sure that you can hear me when I call your case and you can get back to the phone fairly quickly. Or you could just walk
Okay.
away. Okay.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
So I only have two folks here. I have Mr. Bosket, who apparently was on the docket yesterday. I presume what he must have done is pled. I don't know, because I know he had an opportunity to speak to one of the clinicians. I don't know what the court wants from me today. What did he do yesterday?
Actually, he was here for sentencing yesterday, and after reviewing his, I forget what they had given me, like the preliminary sentencing investigation, like substance abuse assessment report. I decided to see if he was eligible for a drug court. And so they asked us to adjourn it to today so that they can do the assessment to see if he was eligible. We found out today that he is eligible, so this is just a sentence. Where he will be sentenced to drug court. I will impose conditions until his next court date with Judge Holmes.
Very good. And Mr. Bosket, I'm sure it was explained to you, but I just want to make sure that we are clear on this end. You understand that this is a voluntary thing. You do not need to, but it is a thing you wish to do, yes?
Yes.
Very good, sir. Okay, Judge, I don't know if the court wants to proceed, but we should be ready then.
We put it.
I was talking to my clerk. Are you ready to proceed with Mr. Basket?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay. Now calling the People versus Michael Sebastian Basket, ticket number Z8086241. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with Mr. Malachi.
And good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malafide on behalf of Mr. Bosket. Mr. Bosket, please state your name for the record.
Michael Sebastian Basket, present.
Your Honor, I believe that this is functionally a recall from a sentencing that occurred yesterday. Mr. Bosket had an opportunity to speak to one of the clinicians. I mean, it was represented to me. They were coming from mental health, but I believe that may be part of the same docket as drug court. Regardless, Mr. Bosket is apparently eligible for that court, and he would like to join up. Is that accurate, Mr. Bosket?
Yes, it is.
And that's your choice?
This is my choice.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Malafide. So the court did have to, again, had an opportunity to read the summary of the substance abuse assessment report for Mr. Basket, and in fact referred him to the drug court due to the assessment. I thought that he would be a good candidate for that program. I would usually, therefore I am going to sentence you to the drug court. I will allow for Judge Holmes to place conditions on you, because some of the conditions that I would have, like testing or doing your analysis test on twice per week, things of that nature, you won't have time to do that before you report to her. Your next report date to her will be May 10th. And so since there's such a short period of time, I really don't have many conditions on you to give you all of the things that you can and cannot do while on probation under her docket. So I am going to just give you the court date of May 10th. I'm going to definitely impose that you, of course, are not drinking and driving, no police contact between now and May 10th. And I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Basket.
Oh, can I ask a question? Because I don't have a calendar now and I don't want to switch my phone. What day is May 10th?
Wednesday is next Wednesday, so it's a week from tomorrow.
Yes. Okay.
Write it down, Mr. Boskin. It's very important to be there for your
Oh,
first day
it's
with
going
the
on my
judge.
phone. It's going on my phone.
At
Okay,
8:30, Mr. Basket.
How long is the application?
Your Honor, what'd you say?
just wait.
So it's at 8:30, Mr. Basket.
So I come back to this courtroom?
No, it'll be Judge Holmes'
It's gonna
courtroom.
be Judge Holmes' courtroom, but I am gonna sentence you to 24 months of probation so that you can complete the program with her.
Okay. Judge Holmes,
Probation,
you know,
all the conditions
know-
will be based on her doc.
No, so 1 second.
Could someone be so kind as to quick look up? I don't have it off the top of my head.
It's
What Judge
3.
Holmes' Zoom number?
It's 360
360. That's what I needed.
133 0000.
1330000. This is for what?
That's the
So
Zoom
that's-
ID, sir.
No. So you know how you log into Zoom? How did you log
Yes.
into my Zoom? Did you go to the court's website?
I went to the court's website through Google.
Okay, so you can do the exact same thing for Judge Holmes. You'll just click on Judge Shannon Holmes' name instead of my name,
Okay.
okay?
Yes,
But if
ma'am.
you were to just go to zoom.com, you could also click join a meeting, and if you enter those numbers that the clerk gave you, you could join that way as well,
Okay.
okay?
Yes.
With 18 months, or I'm sorry, 24 months of probation, and you're gonna be assigned to the drug court, and where she will give more of the conditions. Obviously, no drinking, no while driving, and no police contact will be continued on her docket as well.
Okay. Understandable.
And you have a good day. You're free to go.
You as well. And thank you, both of you.
Thank
Good luck,
you.
Mr. Boskin.
All right. You guys have a good one.
You too. Mr. Malachi, we have one more.
Yes, Judge, it's a bit of a unique situation, and that's I was trying to reach the prosecutor. Unfortunately, he was no longer, even though he was listed as being in the room, he was not. I'm going to try and reach out to him again because the particular individual that we have is actually under federal indictment. So we're hoping that we might be able to clear this up because this is nothing in comparison to what he's dealing with. So,
Okay.
yeah. So if you could just give me a moment, I'm going to try and reach Mr. Goss through other means.
Okay.
If somebody in the court could reach out to Mr. Goss, you may have a little bit faster luck. I'm for some reason it's not working.
Okay, I'm doing it now.
Thank you.
Sure. Doesn't look like he's answering for me either. I know he runs, he has two other courtrooms.
I know.
besides-
Listen, they're busy. I can listen if somebody can get Shannon. I'll take whoever.
Okay.
So, yeah, never mind.
Okay.
One second.
Sure.
definitely don't need another prosecutor because
Mr. Goss,
Tim, you have my cell number.
He said
you
he tried
know,
calling.
I thought I did too, and apparently I don't.
Oh, I thought you called him.
See, look
I
at that.
tried texting through to get, listen. Just, you have mine, right?
Mr. Who, me or Mr.
I
God?
apologize, Judge. This is the problem when I'm talking to three people at once. Dante, do you have my number?
I'm checking now.
Okay, because just text me right now. That way I will mark it and then it'll be in there. Because I got Sid's, I got, just virtually everybody else's. And I just can't find anything from you, which is crazy. But
Yeah. All right, what's the deal with this guy?
so you're actually going to want to probably get into a breakout room, or we can bring him out, but then we should get off YouTube. He's